Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do a DIY for your Easter baskets. I have 4 teenagers, my oldest being almost 19, and yes, she still gets Easter basket. So this will run you roughly $15 to $20 per basket, depending on what you put in there. Some of the items are not necessary. First, we're going to start with the Easter grass. Now this is the crinkly paper grass. And I think we're going to dump this one in here. We dump it in the bottom. Then we got a blue one. And then we'll do a yellow one. And then we'll do the white one. Now I have 3 boys and 1 girl, so that's why there's 2 camo. And this one is, my youngest is almost 13. I'm not sure if he'll like the trucks, but hey, it's what we got. The next optional thing are these already filled eggs. Okay, my kids are older, so they don't hunt eggs. So there are 65 eggs in here, and that come pre-filled with assorted candy. And that is going to be, I'm not very good at math. So, we got 65 divided by 4. It's roughly 16 eggs per box. Those, I'm left with 2 eggs. So these will be parent eggs. And then we've got the 16 of these ones for the baskets, and these are all pre-filled eggs because, like I said, my kids are teenagers, so therefore they don't have eggs, but I still want to get them something for Easter. And then we go 16 divided by 4, like I said, I'm not good at math, is roughly 4 eggs a piece. Now these ones, some of them are already popped, so we'll just have to put these back together. And there's your eggs and your grass so far in each bucket. We move on to more candy. Some ring pops, 1 each. Some robin eggs. Some Sour Patch eggs. Some of the marshmallow covered bunnies. Now there'll be extras of these, and these will become parent bunnies. They always get a chocolate bunny. Now moving on to the toys. Each one will get a different glow stick. Jumping frogs are a must. I only get 1 pack, and these are 98 cents at Walmart. And they'll each get 1 of those. And they'll each get a wind-up toy. The little chompers, like the dentist teeth. Easter egg putty. They will each get no spill bubbles. These are also Easter putty. each of the boys will get one of these sticky ninjas. And they will each get a Whack-A-Pack surprise greeting balloon. And then they all get some stretchy animals. Now, each one is full to the brim, and like I said, this will run you between $20 to $15 each, depending on what you get. Now, the plastic-filled eggs, those are more for like, those are an optional thing, but they come jam-packed with little goodies, you know, things that they're going to use and candy they're going to eat, and I may have 20 tons of plastic eggs left, but the kids, this is something to give to a teenager. So yes, there's a lot of little kitty things, because you don't want your kids to grow up. So that is it. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Please make sure that you like and subscribe and share, and we'll see you next time. Bye!